In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to merge tasks in Asana. Merging tasks is a simple way to clean up duplicates, reduce confusion, and make sure your team is aligned on a single source of truth. Before we start, it helps to identify which task is the duplicate and which one you want to keep. Think of the duplicate as the one that should go away, and the master task as the one that will remain and carry all the important details forward. Begin by opening the duplicate task, the one you want to go away. You can usually spot it because it has overlapping details with another task, or maybe it was created twice by different teammates. Take a quick moment to skim the description, comments, and due date so you're confident you're in the right place. Next, look to the top right of the task details pane and open the menu by clicking the three dots icon. This menu contains advanced options that affect the whole task. If you don't see the menu right away, make sure the task details are expanded and you're not in a compact view. Also confirm you have the right permissions in the project. From that menu, choose Merge Duplicate Tasks. This option tells Asana that the task you're currently viewing is the one being merged from and will be consolidated into a task you select next. It's a good moment to pause and double check you truly want this task to be the duplicate, because merges are meant to simplify your workspace and help everyone focus on a single task moving forward. Now search for the master task, the one you want to keep. Start typing its name, and Asana will suggest matches as you go. To avoid mixing things up, glance at details like the assignee, project, or due date that appear with the suggestions and make sure you're choosing the correct, most complete version. Clear, consistent task names make this step much easier. Finally, confirm the merge. Asana will consolidate the information and direct attention to the master task, reducing noise and preventing split conversations. After the merge, the duplicate will no longer clutter your lists, and the team will be aligned around the master record. If you need to revisit what happened, look for the activity updates on the master task, which help you keep track of changes and maintain context. That's it. Whenever you see duplicates pop up, maybe from multiple intake forms or overlapping requests, use this quick process to merge them. It keeps your projects tidy, your communication centralized, and your team focused on what matters. Thanks for watching, and happy organizing in Asana.